Hi, I'm President of Byerly RV, Warren Patton, and I'm standing here with Jeff Vandervliet of Alliance, and we are at Open House 2025 in Elkhart, Indiana, and we are standing outside the new Avenue 29BH, which Jeff is going to show me some of the cool features that are packed into the new Avenue. You can see the outside kitchen there. This is kind of an upgraded floor plan from what you guys had before, right?
Yeah, the original, before this was a 28BH, and it offered some nice features, but this is kind of just increased the footprint just a tad, but with a lot more features that are, I think they're really going to be more important for the family.
Well, just like, I mean, you're seeing this whole pass-through storage right here.
Yeah, and with the coin floor versus just a traditional linoleum and everything else, much more durable when you're putting camp chairs in and things like that. You still have the way to operate your awning from outside. You operate your slide out on the other side from outside as well.
All your standard Alliance features still in this all-access Avenue.
Absolutely.
Which is pretty incredible. Let's go in and take out first thing. And actually, hey, let's go ahead and check out the inside of this vehicle, and you can kind of see the layout. And it's a very unique layout to start with.
Yeah.
You've got the beds, the nice kitchen area, the little seating area right here. Tell me, what do you think is the most important feature looking at this living area? What do you think people are looking for in this product?
Number one of the things, believe it or not, that we always get complimented on is when we have a bunkhouse, having an open floor space. When kids are burning off steam or when it's a rainy day, everybody has a place to go, but there's open areas so they don't feel like they're on top of each other.
Sure.
Another thing is all the windows. When you look, anywhere you go, you have big windows, bringing the outside in, but also multiple windows underneath your awning space, which is an extension of your living area.
Yeah.
And the dinette area, it's not obstructing the traffic flow. And then nice big bunk doors. A lot of times with bunk doors, they're really small and enclosed and everything else. And even the pack and play door, when you're gonna pass something through to somebody, you're gonna reach out, and so you've got that extra height to be able to do that. But then when they get in the bunk room area, all these drawers rather, the full-size drawers everywhere. And then the door here, if you've got taller people, you've got 3 open spaces on your windows and everything else and all the bunk space. This bunk is actually inside from the width of this one, so they can step on this to get up and down. Nice. Just little logical features that really makes it a lot easier for the kids to operate once they're in here. When you look also towards the bedroom area, now you have an Olympic queen bed, which is 4 inches shy of a king bed. You know, a queen is 60 by 80, a king is 70 by 80. And with the way we have this now, there's plenty of room to walk around because we're a wide body chassis. You also have hidden storage on each side of the bed. It's CPAP ready as well. This is 66 by 80 on the bed now, and nothing to step up. When you get beside the bed, you have a double wardrobe here. You still have your pull-out drawers, but this is still prepped for a combo washer dryer as well. So whatever their needs are, we have them covered, but it's not the largest coach that's going to require a huge tow vehicle. And that also keeps the price down and makes it a lot more affordable for that family budget.
This is a very aggressively priced, I think, vehicle that can fit almost anybody's budget. You're fitting the whole family in there. You have that washer dryer prep. Just a lot to like in the 29BH, the Avenue, and it's great. Yeah. Just take a look on here. Features in the bathroom. It's truly something you can pack.
And we still do dimmers on all the lights too.
Pack all of that Alliance value into a very, very affordable product that more trucks can tow than just one of the heavy duty larger trailers. So, so that's great. Thank you, Jeff. I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Again, we're standing inside the 29BH Avenue All Access here at Alliance at Open House 2025, and we'll follow up. Join us online at ByerlyRV.com or visit us out in Eureka.